Right people, welcome back to the channel. Now today is another episode of I Hate OnePlus because they keep doing stupid things for no reason. Yay. So we have our first look of the OnePlus 8T in a case, and well, it still looks terrible. It still looks bad. It still looks that was my reaction when I saw the OnePlus 8T. That exact mouth sound thing. Actually, let's play a quick game. Which one of these is the OnePlus 8T and which one of these is the Galaxy S20? I'll give you some time to guess, so get cozy, okay? Okay, time's up according to my imaginary watch. So, did you get it right? We shall see. Drum roll, please! No? Okay, just give them the answer. So as you can see, the OnePlus 8T was on the left. Could you tell that? Yes? Well, that's because you're a phone nerd, okay? You literally know everything there is to know about phones, and you're a big phone nerd. But I'm assuming most people probably couldn't. Because honestly, when I first saw this leak, I was wondering, hey, why are people leaking the Galaxy S20? I just don't understand why they've done this, because the OnePlus design language as it is incredibly amazing. Have you seen the OnePlus 8 Pro? Because it is undoubtedly one of the sexiest phones on the market. It just gets me tingling everywhere. But OnePlus were like, no, let's just throw all of that out of the window. Let's just copy Samsung instead, because that's what we do now. We're just a B-Tech Samsung. Yes, I'm just not a big fan of this design, and I would love to end this video here, but unfortunately, apparently, it's my job to tell you information, so I shall present you with all the informations, and let's just get into the cameras. So on the back of its ugly hump, we have a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 16 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 5 megapixel depth camera, and what's worse is that we have a 2 megapixel macro lens with that, which we all know is just going to be horrible. But what's even worse above all of that is that this macro lens has this stupid ring around it, which just looks terrible. I'm pretty sure OnePlus are wondering, hey, how do we make it not bait that we just copied Samsung? Oh, I know, a cool edgy ring around the macro camera because everybody loves the macro camera. Oh my god. That's it. Oh, that's insane. That's such a good idea. Oh my god, that's amazing. You are a blessing to this company. No one will be able to tell that this is a B-Tech S20 now. Like seriously, it makes a design that already looks so bland even worse. Yeah, the only thing that's ever so slightly intriguing about this leak is that there is a mysterious sensor above the LED flash, which looks a lot like another LED flash. And of course, OnePlus isn't stupid. They wouldn't add 2 flashes on the back for no reason, right? Yeah, no, I can see OnePlus adding 2 flashes for no reason because they love to flex, and if they were the first smartphone manufacturer with 2 flashes on the back, they would flex it everywhere. Okay, all jokes aside, that sensor apparently will read light temperature and will help with white balance, so I guess it's useful, but we'll have to wait and see. So many people are probably in the dilemma where they want to spend money with OnePlus, they want to give their money to OnePlus, but they don't want the OnePlus 8T. Well, do not fret, do not worry, because there is now a solution, and that is a new pair of earphones. Yes, OnePlus is releasing yet another pair of earphones, even though they already have 2 existing pairs of earphones in their lineup, so now we have a third one, for some reason. But these aren't just regular earbuds, the Pro earbuds, which means they're cool and pro. So we got a tweet from OnePlus teasing this product as usual, and the tagline is a whole new world of sound, which we all know is marketing jargon. Now, we don't know how these will look, but if the original OnePlus Buds are anything to go off by, then we can assume that these will become counterfeit AirPods Pros that eventually get seized by the US Customs. If you know what I mean. Oh, and also it will have designed by OnePlus smacked on its rear end because apparently they designed it. Like, blah, blah, blah. We're not sure about any other details regarding this product, but honestly, I don't think any of you guys are interested. Like, put your hands up if you're interested. Anybody? There's one dude at the back. You can leave, mate. Just go over to those tech channels which actually report news. Yeah, he's gone now. So yeah, pretty much none of you guys are interested, which means it's my time to go for today. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go and chill now. Yeah. And on that note, I'm gonna stop the rambling. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you, peeps.